We're trying to see if we could survive a zombie apocalypse if that happens, or when China finally attacks us. So I think we can do it. And I consider myself a nature girly. So what? I hate all the bugs in nature. I still love nature. Yummy, yummy. Ow, that's hot as fuck. This fan ain't doing shit. So we forgot a can opener.
Cooking on the coals.
You proud of this? Let's go, baby, let's go! Okay, so need to get a couple things for a camping trip. And like I have this thing where I like to sleep with the fan in my face all night. And I can't find my one with the batteries. I can only find my electric one. And I'm worried that it's not going to last the entire night. So here at Walmart, I'm gonna see if I can find one. We'll see. We've had chairs. Oh, there's an air pump thingy that you're talking about. Yeah. There's one that's on sale, $7.
I should get someone over here. That's a pretty decent deal. $7?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Price is that. Alright. I'm gonna go on the other side. See, my problem is I want to buy everything that I see. A little tablecloth here. It's like Yogi the Bear because it's red and white. You could also use that for going on a picnic too. I don't know. What did I come here for? I'm already forgetting. I always like come and get these little MREs, but I never end up eating them. And plus, since I'm just getting over a cold right now, it'll probably hurt my stomach even more. I haven't been able to eat the past week. I need that there. Let's get somebody. Okay. Why do these cans look bigger than what I remember? Grilling beans, and we are going to be grilling. I kind of like the steakhouse ones better, but I don't see that anywhere. So this is going to be our campground for the weekend. Let's see if we survive. We're trying to see if we could survive a zombie apocalypse if that happens, or when China finally attacks us. So I think we can do it. It'd be so romantic. Alright, so when I jump, our whole tent is going to be finished, right? Our whole setup, right? 1, 2, and we're all finished. And I did it all myself. No help from no man. You don't need no man. You can do this all yourself. That's my man right there. My man, my man, my man. He just lets me sit back and be pretty. It's a good man. Oh, he's going towards our stuff. What do we do? What do we do? He's going towards our stuff. Oh my God.
He's not gonna eat it.
What do you mean he's not gonna eat it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God, it's like a mix between like a cockroach and a spider.
It's a stink bug, baby.
A bug's a bug. Oh, yuck. Like, I don't even know how to kill that. Okay, so I guess I do need a man. All right, so this is day 1. We're all set up and we're hungry. So about to eat some good food. Tell them you love me.
I love you, baby. It's about to be romantic. We got a Mexican place. We got bratwurst, anything you want. It's gonna be good.
Like, the only thing I really want is zucchini, though.
We got those.
I know, but I can't eat that the whole weekend.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Does this look good for dinner? If you say yes, you probably don't have good taste. It looks horrible, but I need something a little bit bland for my tummy. I think this will do it. So the sunset actually looks really pretty tonight. It's like a little peach. I'm not sure if we're gonna light a fire tonight. I'm pretty tired already. I had to work a full day.
I'm going to bed when the sun goes down, and it's pretty much down.
You want to Netflix and chill with me?
I'm looking forward to it. Just a little you and me time.
Show me your shirt. I got on that shirt.
I might not make tea tonight, but I for sure might make some hot chocolate, okay?
Okay.
It's over there.
All right. T-Rex, he loves tea.
I do. You go on vacations, that's all I drink. Tea everywhere. Like, think I'm an old man.
I consider myself a nature girly. So what? I hate all the bugs in nature. I still love nature. I'm ready. What was that? What's that sound?
There's people.
No, it's like a ch-ch-ch-ch-ch-ch-ch-ch. That's a snake, huh?
I don't hear anything.
What do you mean you don't hear anything? How could you not hear that?
Yeah, it's absolutely a bird, baby.
What kind of bird is that?
I don't know my bird species like that.
Then how do you know it's a bird?
Because I can tell.
I think you're just trying to shut me up.
If I was trying to shut you up, I'd say it's a duck. It's a little cuckoo. I just saw one of them blue jays around here.
You tell me anything. I'm gonna save your life with this. day 2. So there are some little pedal duck thingies over at the lake that I've never done before that I actually want to try. So I'm gonna go get pretty, find my lashes because I need my lashes and my glasses because I'm a little blind right now, and I'm gonna convince my lover to take me to the lake. That's the plan. Get it? Oh. Okay, and we're off. I'm out here with the fishes. I'm out here with the fishes. This is like the Notebook, Allie and Noah. Where can I take your fine ass? The things I make him do. So yeah, it might have been my idea to do all this exercise before breakfast. Was it the best idea? Probably not. I'm starving. Are you starving? How was your pancakes?
They were alright, I'm good.
Yeah.
Probably just get that burrito for breakfast.
I forgot about
Make you steak.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the store and get some steak since there's no like bison around here that we can hunt as if the world is over. But we're getting there. There's a bunch of rabbits, but I didn't bring any of my rabbit traps and stuff, so we're gonna have to rely on the grocery store right now. But when China attacks, there's not gonna be grocery stores, you guys. We're gonna have to figure this thing out. We're gonna have to figure it out.
We'll be out there in the breeze.
Yeah, this is practice. This is practice right now. So, you know, we should have brought like a fishing pole. You know, there's a lot of people fishing. But we're figuring it out. This is step 1. Can we survive 2 days in the wilderness? And so far so good. This is only what, day 2? Day 2.
This is day half. And you're for about half a day. Or 1 day. Half a day.
I kind of want to see that rope over there. Getting close. I'm trying so hard not to show my legs in this because my legs are extremely hairy and I look like a man. A little beast. We're turning too close. I'm not gonna, because I know you're ready to throw me out of this thing. Okay, we gotta turn. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. I'm getting so close. So close.
stop pedaling.
Oh, I touched it. It's hard.
Alright.
I'm gonna send you out there to the fishes. Alright, I think I'm done paddling.
You ready to swim?
I was wondering where those life jackets are. Like, I saw him grab life jackets, and then like I didn't know like anything after that. So this is pretty sturdy though. I wonder what this thing is. He's taking a little bath over there. I don't see any fish. I would say this is like a pretty green, like a Jolly Rancher, but it kind of looks like a chemical kind of.
It's algae, baby.
Algae? Is algae good or bad?
Part of life.
So is cancer, but it's still bad. Where are the fish? See, everybody's out here fishing, but... Oh, I see a fish! It's right there! Wait. Oh, man. Oh, there's a couple fish.
They're everywhere.
Ooh, they're tiny. The clouds are burning off now, so it's time to get out of here. We don't want your precious porcelain skin burning up because you didn't put on sunscreen, did you?
No, I didn't think it would blow off this early. It was like foggy this morning.
Yeah. I'm glad we did this early.
Alright, you guys got everything?
Yes, sir.
That's all I wanted for breakfast. Some meat and zucchini. Just to make it happen right here. And then I'm gonna be taking a nap. Even though I just woke up, I'm pretty tired. Yummy, yummy. Ow, that's hot as fuck. God damn, that's hot. Okay, thank you. All right, so we're not gonna grab hot metal with our hands anymore because that's bad. Look, it's really good. We didn't have any seasoning, but do what we can with what we got. Don't ask me what's in my red cup. What does Lil Wayne say? Because what keeps me with my red cup made me so successful. So whatever's in this red cup is gonna keep me being successful. I should keep on drinking it. I have to insert the clip.
But honestly, it ain't nobody's business what's in my cup, what's in your cup, what's in their cup. It's your cup. Drink it. So whatever the hell was in my cup, the only reaction I did was got more popular, more successful. I probably should pick that cup back up.
So I haven't even really eaten. Last night, my fish, I can only eat a couple bites. My appetite just hasn't been good, but I'm confident I could eat this. Slow down, baby.
Hot.
It is hot. I'm not sure if we've ever come when it's August. Usually we do early spring, late fall. What temperature would you say it is?
80, 82.
80, 82. It's not that bad. We shouldn't be complaining because we know the Arizona people have it worse.
Yeah, the breeze feels good too. The breeze feels really good.
This fan ain't doing shit.
It's not on.
It is on. It's actually on high. I never had zucchini growing up. Squash, zucchini. So when I discovered it, I think I had it for the first time when I was like, maybe like 30. Maybe 30. I was like, what is this thing in my mouth? Now I love it. I thought I'd be able to finish it, but now I'm not so sure. So I could do this last bite here. And then it's nap time. I tried. I spilled my zucchini.
Huh?
My last zucchini fell on my sock. There you go. Thank you, baby. Can I have one more swig? This is what was in my red cup. So there's only like 3 things that I actually drink. Water, of course. Kombucha. And every now and then I'll have a margarita. And then what's that other thing I drink? What's that other alcohol thing that I drink?
Spumante.
I like to drink spumante, but that's a story for another time. What's that other thing? Prosecco. So Prosecco, water, and kombucha. And most often the trilogy. I don't drink any soda. I haven't drank soda in over 10 years. Over 10 years. You think I'd be skinnier, huh? Nope. All right, y'all see me when I wake up.
Say hi.
Hi.
How you feeling?
And get my hat.
Hmm?
And get my hat.
Yep, I can see your beaver hat. Frederic.
Yeah, so we use all the meat. So earlier when you saw me with my zucchini, it's actually from Frederic.
Let's get
Living
a
off
little
the
closer.
land.
Let's see a close up of Frederic.
We're living off the land out here, y'all. And you should be too. That's right. Alright, so we forgot a can opener. What would Post 10 do? He would use his knife. Please don't hurt yourself. Ooh, please don't hurt yourself. Oh no. I'm like, so I wanted some cream corn. Not even cream corn, just like the corn that you see at the, what do you call it? Korean barbecue places. Cheesy corn. So my lover's making it happen for me. I'm tired. I kind of want my bed, but I won't say that out loud. You can do it. You can do it. Told him to keep the juice in there because I kind of wanted to. It's gonna take a while. I'm pretty sure. I want it to boil. It's my first time doing it. We've never done this before. I say we like I'm over there slaving in the hot sun. It's chilled out a bit because it was like in the 90s. I think it went up to like 90, right?
Yeah, it was hot earlier today.
And I think it's like kind of gone down to the 70s now.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 70 something right now.
And I think the low is 64. The low is 64 for tonight, so it's gonna be actually pretty good. I'm losing weight. Frederick. So I probably shouldn't have kept so much liquid in the corn because it's taking forever.
I have to have food.
Having some brats tonight, and we took back the zucchini. I really wanted zucchini, but he promised he's gonna make it for me tomorrow. He's a chef in the house.
Look at this.
You're proud of this?
On the fucking coals, man. Cooking on the coals.
You're proud of this?
That shit's almost damn cooked up right now.
If we get too close to it, we're gonna have holes in our food. If you aren't already.
Once you're hungry, man.
You're doing a good job, baby. We'll be eating in no time. I hope. The city is lighting up.
You know what? From the first time we did this with Cody and them, where I was grilling that shit on top of there, that was bad. This is much better.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
It's good. We need to bring some seasoning next time.
I know, it's no seasoning on anything. Just some cheese.
All right, end of day 2. All right, it's morning time. Time to pack up and go home. So we're about to pack up everything. Let's do the jump. Okay, it's all packed now. Time to go home. Look at all these animals. No mountain lions on here though. I'm sure there's been 1 or 2.